are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. You're going to need 2 scrapbooking papers, which measures 11.5 inch by 8.5 inch. You're going to need 2 of those, and we're going to be scoring these. So at the 11.5 inch section, you are going to score at 2 inch, then at 5 inch, then at 7 inch, then at 10 inch. Then repeat that step with the other paper as well. Go ahead and fold those scoring lines. All right, we're gonna corner punch these 2 ends. And so now you should have 2 of these. All right, let's put that aside. And now you're gonna need some poster board paper. And you can purchase these from Dollar Tree. You'll need 2 of these, and this is gonna measure 22 inch by 2 inch. And we're gonna be scoring this. So you're gonna score at the 22 section, 2 3/4 of an inch. Then at 11 inch, you're gonna have to fold this up, bend that 11 inch scoring line, just bend it, so you can get a good fold from that. And then we're gonna push it all the way up so you can hit the corner like that. And then we're gonna score again at 2 3/4 of an inch. And that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and fold those scoring lines. That's how it should look. Both of these, now you should have 2 of them. All right, so let's go ahead and put some fabric on these. Get yourself some fabric, some spray adhesive. Once that's finished, we get back to our next step. Now that your scrapbooking paper and your poster board is covered with fabric, let's put these 2 aside for now. And so we're gonna be putting this together. And then we're gonna lay on top of each other. We're gonna be gluing this down in place. So make sure the 2 ends, this curve, sitting on the top of each other, the same direct position. Gluing this down. Now you can use your fabric glue, or you can use the hot glue gun. It's up to you, but I'm going to use fabric glue today. Liquid glue as well. Middle, because the fabric glue is going to be for the outside of the fabric, and then the middle, I'm going to use this. Go ahead and put fabric glue all the way around. Let's go ahead and put the other piece on top of it. Let's put some clips. Let's go ahead and put this aside, let it dry. And so let's work on the box. And then we're gonna be putting this together. So we're gonna be folding scoring lines better. I'm gonna say like that. And then we're gonna take this one here, it's gonna be like that. The outside, this end right here is gonna line up with this, because we're gonna be closing this section here up. This section here we wanna close up, so we're gonna be putting this piece right here, and then we're gonna wrap that around here like that, and then this is gonna come around like that. Okay, I'm gonna glue that together. So let's go ahead and do that. Repeat the same steps you did with the outside base. We're gonna put fabric glue all the way around. Let's go ahead and put that on there. Or start at this end right here by putting this piece like I'm doing right now. good. Turn it over and do the same thing for the other side. All right, so let's go ahead and put some clips on these. This is how it should look now that everything is sealed. We're going to be placing this box on here, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is the end, of course, the one that, I'm not talking about the one that has a curve, not that one, but the pointed end. There's a lot going on with this fabric, so it's kind of hard to see the scoring lines. So on this section right here, we're going to put our box, okay? We're going to place it down like that at the tip of the end right here. Okay, make sure it's centered, it's even out. So let's go ahead and glue it. I have to glue all this with fabric glue. Drenched it, like cover it really good, and then we're gonna put it down. And it's gonna sit like that. Make sure nothing's sticking out. Let's go ahead and do that. So go ahead and place it down. And make sure you can fold it up, guys, too. Should look like that so far. And we're going to be gluing this section here to this section right here. Glue it on there. And then let's go ahead and glue this section here now. Take that part, guys, and fold it like that. And then we're going to make sure it sits on that. It should look like that. Nice and sealed, guys. So let this sit for a little bit so it can be able to dry. Once it's dry, this is how it should look. Let me show you guys. And you just fold that up. So now we're going to be putting some Velcro to close this up. Go ahead and get our Velcro. So you're going to need a piece of Velcro. I'm going to be putting it up here, one right there, center it, and another one right there. I put the Velcro on there and we are finished. Looks so good. Now you can just close it up. They're pretty. And I made this other one as well. Make two of them. This one stores my remote control. It's a multi-purpose box and it's so good to store different things inside of it. So I love it and I thank you so much once again for watching. And you will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.